So I also wanted to show the actual circuit board. So I showed the header, and this is what is actually going to plug into the Arduino microcontroller, and that comes over here. And what you can see here are 6 resistors, 1 kilo ohm resistors. I've got a capacitor across the whole circuit, and what that does is it stabilizes the voltage. Whenever you have really long lengths of wire, like all this, this purple wire is the wire that's actually going to run to the soil moisture sensors in the flower pots, and then this circuit board will be in the control box. And whenever you have long lengths of wire, it picks up a lot of noise, and the way you counter that noise is with a capacitor. So that's what this capacitor is doing here. So there's 6 circuits here, and they're all identical. So each circuit is going to have 2 leads. So here's 2 leads, and that'll run to the actual moisture sensor that goes in the flower pot. And one will be grounded. This one is ground. And then this one connects to the resistor, and then this side of the resistor connects to power. So what this creates is a voltage divider. If the moisture sensor, if the resistance of the soil in the flower pot is 1 kilo ohm, then I'll get exactly a reading of 512. So the way that the analog voltage reading comes through in the Arduino is between 0 and 1024. And with 1024 being 5 volts and 0 being 0 volts. So the voltage that it's actually going to get read by this lead here, this orange lead, this is where it's going to plug into the actual Arduino. This is going to pick up the voltage between the soil and the resistor. And whatever the resistance of the soil is going to change, and this resistance fixed. So that voltage is going to fluctuate somewhere between 0 and 5 volts, and it's equivalent to a fluctuating resistance. So the voltage and the resistance will both fluctuate, proportionally, and that's what you'll be reading. So hopefully that makes sense. But this is how the circuit. It's that same basic circuit, just the resistor and the leads to the soil, and then I just replicated it 6 times. And then I threw this capacitor to help stabilize everything. So that's all that's going on right here. There's a lot of wires, but the circuit's actually very simple.